almost about now 1,000 patients for gut health, but in these group programs, I think we will be touching a number of 500 this batch. So, lot of experience and amazing experience is what motivates me to be here and be talking to you. So, before we move forward, हमने तो समझ लिया gut is जो food हमारा mouth से लेके anus तक बाहर निकालता है, the whole process. But हम उसको divide कैसे कर सकते हैं? We divide it into 3 parts. So first is digestion. So when does digestion start? Anyone who can tell me digestion किस phase पे या stage पे start हो जाती है? Yes, mouth. Even before mouth, you've seen the moment you smell your food, there is lot of saliva secretion which has lot of enzymes which is released in your mouth. And the moment you put food in the mouth, the digestion process starts. But that's just the beginning, right? After mouth, what happens? It goes through the food pipe, enters the stomach. Now, what is the environment in the stomach? Is it acidic? Is it alkaline? Is it acidic, friends, or is it alkaline? Acidic. And why is it acidic? Because acid helps in the digestion of food, especially proteins. Unfortunately, what is happening today is, one, because we are focusing somewhere else while we are eating, we are not chewing our food well. Lot of undigested food which could have been digested in our mouth goes to the stomach. So stomach needs more acid than it would need normally if we chew our food properly. Second, because of the stressful lives we lead, stomach releases less acid. And with age, after 30-35 years of age also, stomach starts releasing less acid. So एक तो ऊपर से ही खाना digested नहीं जा रहा, ज़्यादा acid चाहिए. Second, stomach is releasing less acid, which is again a problem for us. And most importantly, then what happens? The food which goes in our stomach, it doesn't get digested. And when this food doesn't get digested, it enters the small intestine, right? अब small intestine में क्या होता है? What is the process which happens in the small intestine? Anybody who can tell me? What is it that happens in the small intestine? Absorption, right? So if the food is not digested properly, will absorption happen? No. Why? Because movement of food जो small intestine में होता है वो sluggish हो जाता है. So जहाँ ठहरा हुआ पानी होता है वहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है? If the water is not flowing properly, then what happens? Yes, water gets stuck. Then what happens? उसके ऊपर पूरी काई जम जाती है, fungus जम जाती है. Yes. Same thing happens when undigested food goes into small intestine. The movement becomes sluggish. When the movement becomes sluggish, infections start creeping in. Now these infections, what do? We know this is a single lining. I will share more in the next slides. So during infection, the single line gets broken. अब जब ये single lining टूट जाती है, तो gut से blood में कुछ particles निकलने लगते हैं. Right? वो particles जब निकलने लगते हैं तो हमारी body क्या response करती है, we will see in the next slide. But before that, because sluggish movement हो गया, absorption ठीक नहीं हुआ, तो excretion becomes compromised. Right? When excretion becomes compromised, that means या तो constipation हो रहा है या diarrhea हो रहा है. So anybody who has constipation or diarrhea and is present in this webinar today, किसी को जिसको constipation या diarrhea रहता है, Anybody who has constipation or diarrhea? So what is constipation trying to tell us? Constipation is trying to tell us digestive system is not working properly, gut is not healthy, intestinal mobility is not fine, or we are deficient in certain things like magnesium, or we have improper thyroid, right? But majorly gut. So let's see what happens जब small intestine में there are leakages. What happens? You know how many bacteria we have in our gut? More than 1 trillion bacteria. How many bacteria, fungus, parasites we have in our gut? More than trillion. You know, our genetic makeup is just 10-12% human genes. Rest all is bacterial, parasites and fungal genes. And together we constitute one human body, that is me or you. And what happens is, जब यहाँ लीकेजेस हो जाती हैं तो ब्लड स्ट्रीम में ये माइक्रोब्स, माइक्रोऑर्गेनिजम्स आ जाते हैं. So when somebody enters your house and you don't know that person, what is your response? अगर आपके घर में कोई घुस जाता है और आप उसको जानते नहीं हो, तो आपका क्या रिस्पॉन्स होता है? Attack, don't allow, ask him to go, defense. सबसे पहले what happens is we get scared. Yes or no? We are shocked to see somebody whom we don't know in our house. And जब भी body shock में जाती है तो क्या होता है? Some changes happen. Yes. Now, immediately after this shock, we try to push that man out of our house, take him out. We will, pick up something or think of calling the police or something like that. Now, our body is gifted with an army, which is called as our immune system. Yes or no? हमारी बॉडी के पास एक आर्मी है, इम्यून सिस्टम. यस. जब बॉडी में ये सब बाहर की चीजें आ जाती हैं, व्हाट हैपेंस? द इम्यून सिस्टम स्टार्ट्स शाउटिंग, somebody has come from outside, fire, and the firing starts. That results in autoimmune disorders, digestive disorders, and the whole problem starts. So अब इस प्रॉब्लम को ठीक करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? We will have to start from the beginning, improve our digestion, correct our leaky gut syndrome, and then normalize our immune system. Right? Now, we all know that our gut and brain is connected. You know how many neurotransmitters which actually are the fuel for our brain are made in our gut? कितना % न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर जो कि हमारे दिमाग को पूरा टाइम चलाते हैं, गट में बनते हैं? हाउ मेनी? इट इज कॉल्ड लीकी गट बिकॉज होल्स हो जाते हैं ना स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. तो जब होल्स हो जाते हैं वहां से ये वाला जो मटेरियल है ये बाहर निकलता है. ये ब्लड में कैसे पहुंचता है? जब स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में छोटे छोटे होल्स हो जाते हैं. तो बिकॉज ये होल्स हो गए तो यहां से लीक करने लग गया. इमेजिन अ पाइप में अगर अपने होल्स कर दिए तो वाटर लीक करेगा. And what do you call it? Leaking pipe, right? Similarly, जब intestine में लीकेज हो जाती है तो leaky gut. 70% and more of our neurotransmitters are made in our gut. So अगर gut healthy नहीं है तो neurotransmitters नहीं रिलीज होते, और neurotransmitters नहीं रिलीज होते हैं तो क्या होता है? हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं होती, हम डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हैं, हम एंजाइटी में चले जाते हैं. आपको पता है जो हमारा हैप्पीनेस न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर, हैप्पीनेस हार्मोन सेरोटोनिन 90% गट में बनता है. अगर आपका गट हेल्दी नहीं है, अगर आपको कोई भी डाइजेस्टिव डिसऑर्डर है, आई कैन प्रॉमिस दैट you are not living a healthy life. आपको एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, मूड स्विंग्स, मूड डिसऑर्डर्स सब चीजें हो रही हैं एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल माइट नॉट बी इवन एबल टू स्लीप प्रॉपरली, राइट? सो ये जो कनेक्शन है ना, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन देयर इज पुअर गट हेल्थ? अगर हम देखें प्रोग्रेस कैसे करता है, सो वी सॉ डेट फर्स्ट हमारी डाइजेशन खराब होती है, विच कैन बी मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस, maybe because of the environment we are living in, maybe because of our genes, maybe because of the pollution, maybe because of the food we are eating, maybe because of the way we are sleeping. But what happens? Leaky gut. And leaky gut होने से क्या होता है? Our metabolic health goes for a toss. Metabolic health means diabetes, high cholesterol, hypertension, digestion, all of that. Weight issues start to happen. Either we will lose a lot of weight or we gain a lot of weight, depending on how is our body responding. We will experience bloating. So some people will experience कि पेट बिल्कुल फुल जाता है immediately after they have taken meals. But some people might experience that after 1 to 2 to 3 hours of eating meals, they feel bloated. Means पेट फूला होता है and trouser ठीक से, you know, you want to loosen it or something like that. Fatty liver, you know, 1 out of 3 people is having fatty liver today. And fatty liver होना means diabetic होने ही वाले हो आप, right? And this starts because of bad digestion, hyperacidity, constipation, metabolism, indigestion. You know, there are about 9-10 types of cancer which are only caused, one of the main reasons of those is constipation, right? So आप देख लो, constipation से हम suffer करते हैं for 10, 20, 30, 40 years, and उसके बाद में जाके हमें कैंसर या कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम होती है and we appear to be shocked, ये क्या हो गया? But our body was hinting कि यार तुमको constipation है 20, 30, 40 साल से. But we were not taking any action, right? And that is so criminal. So what happens after this? अगर हम अभी भी ठीक नहीं करते हैं, allergies start to set in. आप देखोगे there are a lot of people जिनको साइनस साल में 2, 3, 4 बार होता ही होता है. There are so many studies today which show that, you know, साइनोसाइटिस के पीछे गट हेल्थ खराब होना इज वन ऑफ द बिग कॉजेज. एस्थमा, एक्जिमास, फूड इंटॉलरेंस, एटोपिक डर्मेटाइटिस, डिस्निया, ब्रोंकाइटिस, all these can happen and all these are related to your gut. Hormonal imbalances, आपका thyroid, type 1 diabetes, insulin resistance, polycystic ovarian disease or syndrome, adrenal fatigue, premenopausal syndrome, testosterone deficiency, which is so very prevalent in men these days. All this can happen because of your gut health problems. And of course, as I told you, autoimmune disorders. So there are about 80 autoimmune disorders. And सबका कारण क्या है? Bad gut health. अगर आपको कोई भी डाइजेस्टिव इलनेस का सिम्टम है, कोई एलर्जीज हैं, कोई हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेस हैं, प्लीज 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 इट इज़ वेरी वेरी वाइटल कि आप उस पर काम करके उसको करेक्ट करो. सिंपल रीजन बीइंग इट विल कीप लैंडिंग फ्रॉम वन डिजीज टू अनदर और आपकी तबीयत बस और खराब होती जाएगी. सो यू विल बी अलाइव बट यू विल नॉट बी फुल ऑफ लाइफ. एंड चॉइस तो आप ही की है, आपको किस स्टेज पे अपनी लाइफ में जिंदगी भरनी है. नोबडी एल्स कैन डू दैट फॉर यू, राइट? सो इरिटेबल बाउल सिंड्रोम, ल्यूपस, हाशिमोटोस, क्रोहन, सीलिएक, rheumatoid arthritis, vitiligo, psoriasis, urticaria, all these are autoimmune disorders and all these start from the gut. अगर आपको इनको रिवर्स करना है completely, तो gut health is very very critical. And of course, as I told you, cancer तो हमें बताकर आता है, कभी भी अचानक नहीं आता. कम से कम 10 to 20 years का विंडो देता है हमें to correct things. The unfortunate thing is, we keep ignoring that window, we keep trying to find quick fixes, ऐसे कुछ हो जाए, टाइम ना लगाना पड़े, एफर्ट ना लगाना पड़े, मनी ना लगाना पड़े, ऐसे ही हो जाए. That doesn't happen, right? Even when the child learns to walk, क्या ऐसे ही वो एक दिन चल पड़ता है? नहीं ना. कितने दिन पेरेंट्स बार बार पकड़ पकड़ के उसको चलाते हैं, सपोर्ट करते हैं, वो गिरता है, उठता है, and that's when the child learns to walk. Similarly, if we have any problem, we have to try options, but one thing is sure, solution possible है and आपको solution ढूंढ कर करना चाहिए. So let's see solution है क्या. So gut health में ना, as I told you, I've been now working on gut health for last 5 years and I started with working on my own self. एक बहुत 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 powerful चीज which I have seen is identify the dead rat. If you come to your house after many days and there is smell in the house, and you've cleaned the house but that smell still sticks, what will you do? क्या आप रोज ऊपर से परफ्यूम स्प्रे करके रहते रहोगे वहां, या आप ढूंढोगे कि कहीं कोई खाना तो नहीं सड़ा पड़ा हुआ, कहीं कोई चूहा तो नहीं मरा पड़ा? So what will you do? Option 1 or option 2? What will you do? You will just spraying perfume every day and keep living in that house, or you will try to find out from where that smell is coming to, right? So I saw this survey in the beginning. A lot of you have one or the other problem which is related to gut. How many of you have tried to option 2 for your own health? If you have tried option 2 for your own health, give me a yes. And if you are just popping pills, किसी ने antacid ले लिया, किसी ने pain killers ले लिए, किसी ने anti-allergics ले ली, if that's what you are doing, then that's option 1 you are doing. Till what time you will keep doing it? So my principle is very simple, and I think a lot of you, what you have said, I also believe on the same. Identifying smell आ कहाँ से रही है, and that's what we can do by using elimination diet, right? And friends, you know what, this diet is tried and tested. हमारे literature में, journals में, we have studies of 20-30 years. But Indian tradition में जब से नवरात्रों के व्रत शुरू हुए, since the day we have started doing Navratras fast, which are again starting from 13th of April this month, our ancestors were making us do it. They used to make us eliminate gluten for 1 week, for 9 days, twice a year, right? And they were much, much healthier than we were. So in elimination diet, what we do is, we make you go on dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, orange-free, and peanut-free diet, right? When we avoid these foods, what do we add? We add phytonutrient foods which heal your gut. We also reduce toxic burdens in your body. You have no calorie restrictions. You can eat as much as you want. हम कुछ भी गिन के नहीं देते हैं आपको, जितनी भूख लगी आप उतनी खाते हो. It promotes body awareness to food. For the first time you start smelling and knowing whether this food is making your body smell or making your body, blossom. It helps you identify food triggers. It reduces inflammation. If you would have seen the video in the beginning, there was a girl who said that she lost 5 kgs in 3 weeks. Do you think it's possible, especially for women? No. Especially when you are not restricting the amount of food. Her body was fully inflamed. The inflammation went off, the swelling went off, 5 kgs was dropped. She started feeling lighter, happier, healthier and everything. And of course, all this supports healthy microbiome. As I told you, more than 1 trillion cells. It is exceptionally important कि हम उनको healthy रखें, right? So this is what this does. We also track your symptoms and measure your conditions in this program. We balance your gut, which further balances your conditions. Right, today only I was talking to one of the girls from the last batch, and she was telling me कि मैम मेरी anxiety, depression from the scale अगर पहले 10 था तो अब 5 आ गया, and I am feeling so much lighter and better. मैं 6 years से struggle कर रही थी, and I am feeling like jumping now. Why? Because she had found her dead rat. Who wants to know what her dead rat was? Her dead rat was milk. The day she stopped her milk tea in the morning, things started to change for her. Right? So, पता नहीं अच्छी बात है कि बुरी, but people say that this program of ours which we do has a lot of side effects. You know what are the side effects? Side effects are people stop smoking, people stop alcohol, people stop tea, people stop all processed foods, and in return, they get lot of energy, feeling light and all of that stuff. So, I don't know, but yes, now define your path towards complete cure. We help you do that. We help you diagnose your condition. We help you interpret your blood test reports through functional medicine approach by doing one-to-one consultation in the end. So how it works is elimination diet. We put you on elimination diet in the first week. We do symptom tracking for you week on week. Your gut keeps healing. And finally, in the 4th week, we tell you how to reintroduce foods. And after reintroduction, you have one-to-one consultation, and I help you interpret what has been the result of this journey of identifying the dead rat. Right? And I think now it's over to Ayush, and we will be happy. I'll be here to answer your questions after this.
So thanks, ma'am. So guys, please stay tuned, hang on. We will be taking all of your questions. आपके जितने भी सवाल हो, please keep on putting down in the chat window. Group chat में अपने सवाल डालते जाइए so that we can answer each and every single of your query. Now, just to reiterate what ma'am said, the entire cycle of how this entire thing works is that day 1 we start on the elimination diet which ma'am told you. उसके बाद में day 2, 3 and 4 and 5, so every subsequent day we keep checking in with you, आप लोगों के symptoms and how your body is responding to whatever you're consuming, your environmental conditions and everything else. उसकी basis पे your diet keeps getting personalized by the day. By the end of the week, you are onto a personalized elimination diet. The second week is about gut healing. In that week, we have, by now we have stopped irritating the gut any longer. Now we want to heal the gut in the second week. So second week may we add some prebiotics and probiotics, and we, depending upon your individual conditions, we suggest you many other things. Autoimmune conditions के लिए कुछ और, psoriasis specifically something else, and so on and so forth. So week 2 is about healing your gut. Week 3 is about mental health. So we talk about, ma'am has already talked about gut-brain axis. So in the 3rd week, we have that. So uski basis pe we'll speak in detail about what the 3rd week is, and the 4th week we come on to the reintroduction diet, which is most important. Uski basis pe interpretation banta hai, and then Dr. Preeti gets into a personalized consultation with you and advise you basis your symptoms, basis a complete understanding of your body, what you need to do to completely come out of your conditions or whatever your whole goals are. Now, specifically, who can benefit and how the person can benefit. If you're looking for any kind of a weight loss, then there are 3 kind of weights that you are going to lose through this program or through this approach. A, toxic overload would be gone. B, any kind of inflammatory weight that you are having would be gone. Third is water retention weight. ये तीनों weight ऐसे हैं, because your body is healing, it would be gone. There is no calorie control or none of that thing is there. So none of this is going to yo-yo back. ये वापस नहीं आने वाला है. So weight loss, permanent weight loss, anywhere between 2 kgs to about 7, 8, 9 kgs is the range that you could be looking for if you're looking for weight loss. If you're looking for detox, then this is a beautiful 5-organ detox for your entire digestive system, including liver and kidney and small and large intestine and everything. We help you reset your gut microbiome. Your gut microbiota would be completely getting reset, which is the cause of concern for almost every single chronic condition. तो अगर आपको अपनी हीलिंग की शुरुआत करनी है तो ये तो बॉस आपको करना ही करना होगा. And finally, जो आपने कई सारे testimonials में सुना होगा, you would have heard in several testimonials, this is a wonderful thing if you want to mentally detox, if you want to recharge your batteries, if you want to come out of stress or depression or any kind of mood swings or emotional imbalances, then this is a wonderful program for you. For people who are having different kinds of digestive disorders and digestive conditions such as celiac or colitis of any kind, and bloating, burping, constipation, acidity, IBS, which is an autoimmune, then this program can help you get rid of those conditions at a very small price of both time and money. So people have benefited to that extent. Now, if you're suffering from any kind of allergies and autoimmune conditions, the program does not guarantee that you would be coming out of those conditions. But the most important thing which you would be able to achieve in just one single month is that you would be able to understand why you are having those conditions. And that's why towards the end, we have this consultation with Dr. Preeti, wherein she would be able to advise you what you need to do now to completely come out of your conditions. So in the end, she would be having this consultation with you and she would be advising you accordingly. So that's how the program is designed. Now to specifically talk about program, which I initiated earlier, we start with collecting your symptoms, your history. आपकी सारी history की basis पे हम आपकी एक profiling करते हैं. Week 1, we start onto an elimination diet, which ma'am told. And every single day, your diet keeps getting customized. By the end of the week, you are onto a personalized elimination diet. Week 2 is about gut healing, adding prebiotics and probiotics and whatnot, and specifically personal situation or आपके health history के point of view से, accordingly your gut is starting to heal in the second week. Third week we are talking about this is the gut brain axis wala week. So in this we have 3 or 4 things basically. We play games, we do many things wonderful and positive and beautiful. We have positive affirmations. We do have breathing techniques to help so basically 30% of your digestive health is dependent upon your mental health. So now we are working upon your mental health to further accelerate your gut healing. So we do a lot of things towards your mental health and your brain health, which further enhances your gut healing process. So this 21-day sort of a program is such that, and why it is 21 days? Because 21 days is what it takes for the gut microbiome to reset in a specific constricted situation. तो ये elimination diet आपको वो achieve करने में help करता है. Now week 4 is most important week in my opinion, which is the week of reintroduction diet. Now whatever you have eliminated, one by one you keep getting reintroduced in a certain specific systemized manner, which is when we make a lot of observation and interpretations, and basis that we get into an individualized consultation. So that's how the entire program is. Now there are 3 things that we specifically do to ensure that you are successful in the program. We do make a WhatsApp group. Dr. Preeti presides in that WhatsApp group. She is an admin and she would be there as a constant support and a guiding light for the entire program during the entire program. So you can chit chat with her on a daily and a periodic basis. There we ensure that you remain disciplined. We keep you encouraged. We do many things to keep you encouraged. But one of the things that I want to highlight here is we do have a buddy system. So you share your journey with somebody similar within the group itself. So there are people who are there who are your partners within this program. And we do have weekly sessions by Dr. Preeti. She explains about how that particular week should go. उस वीक के बारे में शुरुआत में डॉक्टर प्रीति एक्सप्लेन्स, एंड देन यू गो थ्रू द वीक She is there to guide throughout the week, and you have a buddy to encourage you and nurture you and discipline you. So that's how this entire program works. The cost of this program is 10,000 rupees, but we are giving you a wonderful discount of 35%. So if you are able to enroll, now this another good news, I am extending this 60 minutes to tomorrow 12 p.m. So till tomorrow 12 p.m., if you are able to make the payment, then the cost is going to be only 6,500 rupees to you. I have started a small little poll just to take your opinion on, whether you are interested or how interested you are and so on. Please make sure that you are responding to the poll. You please keep typing all your questions. Now, when is the program beginning? The program is beginning on 15th of April, which is a Thursday. 7 p.m. को sessions होंगे. So Thursday 7 p.m. all those consecutive 4 sessions are going to happen, which is when Dr. Preeti would be explaining each and everything about the week and so on and so forth. और उसकी basis पे the entire program would propel. So that's how this thing is going to work out. Now, how you can make the payments if you intend to? You have all the methodologies available to you. UPI payments you can do. You can make a bank transfer or a credit or a debit card, however you want to do. So ये सारी चीजें आप लोग कर सकते हो. Now what I'm doing is I'll hold on to this page because some people always want to take snapshots and whatnot. तो आप वो लोग करिए. Meanwhile, what I'm doing is I'm allowing you to unmute yourself. You can also ask your questions directly to Dr. Preeti. Till the point that happens, I'll be picking up a few questions if there. Yeah, ATM is there, Rachna. You can take the snapshot, and we'll be sharing a message to you very shortly. You can use that number to make a Paytm. Charges for this program, Manisha, it is 6,500. Just hurry up, otherwise it will be 7,000 rupees. Okay, I'm suffering from small intestine. Ma'am, I'm just passing you a few questions. So Miss Pooja is suffering from small intestine inflammation, passing stools frequently. There is a loss of a lot of weight, low energy, want to gain weight and improve digestion. Is it possible through the program?
Yes. So if one line I have to say yes, but more importantly, Pooja, can you unmute yourself and give me a little history? कोई infection के बाद ये शुरू हुआ या how did this start? Pooja?
So meanwhile she unmutes, Mr. Abiral Chakravarti is talking about ankylosing spondylitis.
Oh, ankylosing, all autoimmune disorders, this program makes the base of your treatment. So Abiral, if you have ankylosing spondylitis, this program will set your eating schedule properly and reverse your symptoms significantly. And after that, whatever little is left, we can work on it on one-to-one basis.
Ramya, this is a 1 month program.
Hello.
Yes. Sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can I speak? Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes.
So will you be giving some diet plan or what? What is, how it will go ahead with this program? Are you recommending some diet plan to every individual or what? Hello?
Dr. Preeti, are you there?
Yes, I am here. So basically, yes. See, at the end of the day, mostly all gut diseases, diet is the biggest culprit, right? And science has proven that there are some foods which exacerbate the symptoms of gut health. We actually make you eliminate those foods so that your gut lining gets sealed and healed. So
it will be a customized diet plan for everybody, every individual?
You will customize it yourself.
Okay.
We are going to give you do's and don'ts, right? And we are going to give you a sample diet plan. But with your experience and your learnings of life, you will keep changing. I will be there to answer all your questions. So for example, आप मुझे लिखते हो कि यार मुझे दाल खा के एसिडिटी होने लगती है. So I will tell you what you need to do then, how you need to cook it, whether you have to avoid it or not. And over the period of 3 weeks, वो automatically आपके हिसाब से customize हो जाती है.
मतलब आप अपने हिसाब से कोई डाइट प्लान नहीं बना के देते हो कि ये खाना है आपको?
हम देते हैं, आपको सैंपल भी देते हैं, पर आपको वो अपने हिसाब से एडिट भी करना होता है.
एक और क्वेश्चन है, will it last कि मतलब हमें रेगुलरली इसे फॉलो करना है कि once it improves then we can go back to normal diet?
Oh, so the 4th week जिसमें हम इंट्रोडक्शंस करवाते हैं, in that week you will get to know which foods suit you and which foods don't suit you. तो जो फूड्स आपको सूट नहीं करते वो आप 3 months तक अवॉइड करते हो ताकि गट हील्स मोर, एंड जो फूड्स आपको सूट कर जाते हैं वो आप इमीडिएटली इंट्रोड्यूस कर लेते हो. जैसे यू नो दिस गर्ल्स एग्जाम्पल विच आई हैड गिवन, उसको सिर्फ मिल्क से प्रॉब्लम हुई, किसी भी और फूड से प्रॉब्लम हुई नहीं उसको, एंड नाउ हर गट इज क्लीन. So she's introduced gluten back in her diet, peanuts back, eggs back. The only thing now she's avoiding for next 3 months is milk.
So sorry, ma'am, if we are on medicines, we have to stop the medicines?
No. You continue with the medicines, and during the program, you yourself get to know when you can half the medicines or stop the medicine. जैसे जैसे आपकी हीलिंग होने लगती है ना, आपकी बॉडी बेटर फील करने लगती है, and that's when you guys can stop your medicine or half. Yes,
madam, can I speak?
Yes, please.
Yeah, madam, every region has their own style of making food, okay, and every region has a different food which is grown in their area. So how you are going to assist us consuming that food?
We give you a lot of options. This diet is very simple in the sense कि आपको तो बस एक गेम खेलनी है 3 हफ्ते के लिए. The foods we tell you to avoid, you have to just look at that food and say no. Rest everything you are allowed to eat.
So basic avoidable food you will give it to us.
Yes. And we will also give you some recipes and some stuff which you can use if you want.
But madam, if something is good for me, suppose allergic to me, it may not be allergic to someone else.
Yes, that's.
But जब आपका leaky gut होता है ना, so you might not be allergic to something, but that food will irritate your leaky gut. जब आपको चोट लगी हुई है, सपोजिंग आपको एल्बो पे चोट लगी है, उस टाइम पे आपको जिस प्रेशर पे you can hit the elbow is much less than what you will be able to do if you have no injury on the elbow.
Correct. And my last question, madam, every body has a different deficiency. Okay,
Right.
My body will have because I am facing the problem of gut for last 10 years. So I must have developed a deficiency in a different way. So are you doing any basic blood test to find out what are my deficiency in my body, and accordingly the food will be adjusted? Are you going to see our medical
The
report?
day your child is born, just a minute, no. The day your child is born, do you tell him to become 20 years old then very next day?
I don't want to be 20 years old. At least I want to be sustained.
No. My point is, this program is to help you find out मरा हुआ चूहा कौन सा खाना है आपके लिए. And that's the first step towards healing your gut. There is a reason we have kept the consultation in the 4th week. Why? We could have kept the consultation in the 1st week also, right? Because till the time you know what is the dead rat for you particularly, there is no point and no way that we can work on your deficiencies. आप रोज भरोगे, रोज मरोगे.
Okay.
So, gut healing.
Doctor, can I talk?
Just a minute. Gut healing takes time, right? Gut healing is a journey जो हमें करनी पड़ती है. The first thing about gut healing which everybody should do is finding the dead rat in terms of food and giving your gut the time to heal. जब हम 3 हफ्ते के लिए ये फूड्स अवॉइड करते हैं ना, तो हमारी गट की लाइनिंग अच्छे से हील हो पाती है, बिकॉज रोज कोई ना कोई फूड जाके उसको छिलता नहीं रहता, राइट? सो दैट्स हाउ दिस इज मेड. Yes, somebody was wanting to ask.
Yes,
a question.
doctor, I am taking one tablet, Happy D, every day because I'm suffering from osteoporosis. So gas both hota hai. So this gut treatment will help me.
Yes, definitely it will help you with gas, and it will also help you in improving your bone health.
Okay, but I'm suffering from osteoporosis. I lost 25 kgs also still, but I don't want to lose any more weight now.
This will not, so this actually, see, this program ना stabilizes your weight. अगर आपका weight कम है तो उसको stable करता है या थोड़ा बढ़ाता है. If your weight is more, then it helps you reduce your weight.
Okay.
Ma'am, come in, please.
Ma'am, can I make a question?
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
I have a
trial-
thyroid problem. Hello.
Yes, I can hear.
मैम ये गैस का
25
प्रॉब्लम क्या
mg.
रीजन क्या है? गट से इससे क्या मतलब लेना है?
Ma'am,
इसका gut से?
25.
कोई ना कोई फूड एलर्जी है. हाँ.
Okay.
Ma'am, 25 mg I'm taking daily.
My son is
Right.
19, ma'am.
Just a minute. 25 mg I'm taking daily.
Yeah,
Yes.
daily because I used to take 50 mg my thyroid tablet, but I actually normally I'm doing now exercises and everything. So now actually it's a lifetime diseases. My question is this: if I go for the gut healing program, so can and exercise more, so can I actually means cut off this that means thyroid tablet? I don't want to take for long time.
A lot of patients after this program have been able to stop their thyroid medicines. You will have to check and know for
reduce,
yourself.
ma'am. I reduce actually 50 mg to 25. Sometimes I taking alternatively also. Because
That's what I'm trying to tell you, that this program can help you.
मैडम गुड इवनिंग कैन आई स्पीक
Ma'am, can I
Can
come
we
Yes.
store
हेलो
thyroid
मैम मैं कुछ पूछ
because
सकता
of
हूँ
this program?
Hello?
अपना नाम बोल के पूछ लीजिए प्लीज.
Ma'am, Payal
मेरा नाम
Agarwal.
विवेक मिश्रा है हेलो
हाँ जी विवेक.
मैम एक्चुअली मेरे को 1 साल से चेस्ट में पेन हो रहा है बहुत ज्यादा पास होती है.
हाँ तो
कभी
आप
कभी क्या होता है मेरे को जब वॉमिट होती है तो वॉमिट में हल्का
राइट. सो विवेक जी, आपको ये प्रोग्राम हेल्प कर सकता है, आपको ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. क्योंकि जब ऐसे सिम्टम्स होते हैं ना जिसमें आपको एक दवाई से नहीं फर्क पड़ता है, तब वहां पे ये लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस बहुत हेल्प करती है.
अच्छा बट मैम ये क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है मेरे को थोड़ा सा ये जानना था.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कोई ना कोई फूड इरिटेट कर रहा है आपके गट को.
अच्छा
राइट.
Ma'am,
इसके सिम्टम्स कोई भी हो सकते हैं. यस प्रियंका.
Just one small little request. Hold on, ma'am.
because
Ma'am,
of
if
this
you can,
program.
ma'am, if you can hold for just 1 second. I'm sorry, I apologize for this. Anyone and everyone who has an interest, their questions, it doesn't really matter if they are answered or not. Please share your phone numbers so that we know that your interest lies in the program, and we reach out to you in case if your question is not fully answered, or even if you have interest. आप अपने phone numbers जरूर share कर देना group chat में. That's all. Continue.
Ma'am, just one thing that since I'm Rachna. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, Rachna, I can.
Ma'am, just one thing. I want to join, but the only concern was that since it is Thursday and Navratras would begin, so is it because I keep fast? So will it? Will I be able to keep my fast or it?
Oh, definitely. No. This is the right time because I told you नवरात्रे तो हमें gluten free कराते ही हैं.
अच्छा, okay.
बिल्कुल. So I think this batch, जो भी लोग आज मुझे सुन रहे हैं, all of you must register for this program.
Okay, I will, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Because seasonal demand है that this is the time when this program will help you the most.
तो मैम
The only concern was that it's not going to interfere with Navratras.
No, not at all. In fact, it will help you.
Okay, thank you so much.
हेलो
In
मैम
fact, in fact, I'll go one more. I'll just 1 second, ma'am. I'll go one more and I'll suggest that ये आप अपने periodic हर साल के नवरात्रों का हिस्सा बना लीजिए इस चीज.
बिल्कुल.
And
Okay.
that's how.
हेलो
Okay. Fine, sure. If I'll find, I mean, if it is going to benefit, definitely. Why
It
not?
will definitely benefit you. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you. Yes. Anybody
Thank
else who wants to ask?
Hello, ma'am. Payal here.
Yeah, Payal.
Ma'am, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, my son is 19 years old and he was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis 3 years back. And he was quite bad at that time. They gave him 2 rounds of steroids also. So with this program, ma'am, will it be because he's going to go to college, so he will be leaving home and going to Delhi now? I'm from Kolkata.
Yes. So this program will help him, Payal. This program will help him. We will have to do something more after this program also, but this is the start.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask more about this. How can I contact?
Please leave your number in the chat box and you will get a call back.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm Dr. Sangeeta from Coimbatore, ma'am.
Hi, Dr. Sangeeta. Tell me, how can I help you?
Madam, I'm a gynecologist myself, but I have been suffering from Meniere's disease of the right ear, ma'am, with imbalance issues,
Okay.
the last 7 years.
Okay. And what is your weight and all?
I am 73 kgs. I am 162 centimeters.
Okay. And anything else?
2000, ma'am. Hashimoto's
So,
thyroiditis.
you know, so my point is this is a good program for you because it will help your body detoxify, right? Meniere's disease में कितना असर होगा that you will have to tell us after a month,
Okay, ma'am.
right? But overall in your health, it will help and it can help with balance issues and all also, but I don't have a confirmed response.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Madam,
Yes,
one last thing. You are Bombay based or where you are?
Gurgaon, Gurugram. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So yeah, everyday program we will have to join on the Zoom
Ev-
or it will give a
ev-
weekly
Every Thursday.
every Thursday. Okay, ma'am.
7 to 8 p.m. every Thursday. And what I want to tell you now, this is now going to be our, I think this is going to be my 12th batch. I have not had even one person coming back and telling me that I am not able to follow the program. So I think वो जो एक thought है ना हमारे दिमाग में कि follow होगा कि नहीं होगा, finally we can let that go away because I know everybody is able to do it. I don't know what we do in the group, but it is remarkable that nobody has any problems while doing this program.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. This is Yuvraj from Tamil Nadu.
Hi.
Ma'am, I have a problem from my birth. That is, I have been diagnosed with kidney disease, and I got my kidney transplanted 7 years back. So I was on rejection medicines for this long. I mean, for 7 years. But recently, I was prescribed with corticosteroids, steroid tablets. I am a very lean person. I'll be somewhat muscular, but I still can't able to diagnose whether what is the reason for my diabetes. So will I get? I just wanted to make sure that I just reduce my diabetic medications by following this. Program. So will it be able?
It will help you.
Yeah. Sure.
It will help you. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I'll be continuously. I should be on medications, right?
Not necessarily. For diabetes, we can always help you stop your medicines.
Okay.
Right. Let's start with the program and see how your body responds.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay. There's a question, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, so essentially from what I have been listening now and what I have followed up till now, I believe this is something like a detox program. This is in summation, essentially what I think is going to happen to us. as like a gut cleanse program or a detox. And I know of this because a couple of years back, I myself, when I had been to the US, I had found a number of drugs out there. I mean, I don't know whatever they're called, but packets where uh,
Yes.
detox your gut, and then you buy those and you just take them, and there were a lot of probiotics, prebiotics. So is this something related? So I mean, like, I understand you're not actually working on our symptoms probably in the first month, now coming to understand all the questions that you're being thrown at, but you're probably trying to, in the first level, you're trying to just cleanse our system, actually throw out and detoxify
No. So Namita, functional medicine, we work on cause, not the symptoms. All of us here are human beings, right? But you are Namita, some is Payal, some is Harleen. But the way we all live is we have to eat our food, we have to feel that hunger, we have to be able to digest it, we have to sleep well, we have to feel happy, right? All the symptoms you've listed in the beginning, the cause lies in your gut. And all the testimonials you've heard, they are not that their gut got cleansed, no. Their symptoms got corrected. People got relief from their migraines, people got relief from their acidity, people got relief from their sleep issues, people lost weight, right? So the approach is only different. In allopathy, what they do is, if you have headache, they will give you Crocin. If you have migraine, another medicine. Acidity, Rantac. In functional medicine, that's not what we do. We work on the cause. So all the symptoms which you guys have told me, I'm going to start from the basic cause which all these diseases have, that is your gut. Right? So we are going to help you improve your digestion, help you clean your gut, help you stabilize your gut, and with that 70% of you will get 100% relief from your symptoms. The remaining 30%, we will work with you going forward and help you get relief from all your symptoms. Right? So it is not only a detox. The only thing is our approach on working towards your symptoms is different. And of course, detox comes as a side effect to the program.
So essentially, once we detox, is there something more that you add on? I mean, I'm sorry, again, I'm using that word, but let's say a cleansing happens, then there is something more that you add on, like during the course of the next couple of weeks. So maybe the first week is detox and the next week is something else, like that. You build on it, I mean.
Yeah, we definitely build on it. We definitely build on it. Every week, as Ayush had showed you, has different focus. Right? And we also cover the emotional bit, because gut cannot be healed unless you are emotionally stressed out.
Hello.
So after gallbladder removal, this can help. This program can definitely help. Yes.
Great. So I mean, I think I mean, like, I was just wondering, because why do these people in the US then have so many medicines for it? Bioflora and this, and certain, they have a 7-day detox.
Because they do it differently. In India, we have so much in the house, we don't need those additional things. At least 70-80% of us don't. If we can work on our program properly, right, and if we can manage our food properly, food se better kuch nahi hai. But US mein, when you go to US and if you can teach them how to make yogurt, they will be thankful to you for their lifetime. Right?
They know
What we know, just naturally it comes to us. For them, it's a big thing. My teachers in US, they'd say, oh, I learned how to make yogurt, and it's so simple. You just heat the milk, put it in the Instapot with a little curd in it, and the yogurt is ready. And that's one full class. So I think we Indians are very blessed. We can do things in a very simple way. The only thing is, one, of course, trust is important, and second is our wish to live a life full of life. And if that's there, then I think this is an amazing program. Gut has to be healed, has to be healthy, and once we look at the cause of the problem, a lot of symptoms disappear without us realizing that we have those symptoms also. Right? Any other questions? I think we can take 1-2 more questions, Ayush. Hello.
There are a bunch
Ma'am,
of
can I ask
questions
you?
actually in the chat, ma'am. I'll just pick a few. Do you design customized program according to health issues? The program is defined in such a manner that each and every part of the program is customized. So as and when we progress, the customization part on the second onset of the second day itself, it will start taking shape. Does it help in gallbladder? We have answered. We'll have there are people who are asking, ma'am, in general, so people want to gain weight. So there are 2-3 things which I would want you to readdress if you can, ma'am. So one is about Navaratras, and also there is a Ramzan period.
Yes.
So what people who are following Ramzan, they should follow it, or they can follow it or not?
Oh, they can definitely follow it. So this is a very flexible plan, and you can follow it. In fact, it becomes easier when you do it during these festive times, because you are already in a mindset of following something. So Ramzan and Navratras, both you can follow this plan. Not a problem at all.
Can intestinal adhesions and chronic constipation be cured?
It depends what is the cause of constipation. As I told you, in 70-80%, the cause of constipation is somewhere related to your gut and your digestion. That drastically improves in these cases. You saw that testimonial also in the beginning, where she said that she was on laxative every day. Right, Chitra from Mumbai. And during this program, she stopped laxatives completely. Yes, I have had 2-3 patients who have not been able to stop laxative completely, and then we have had to work on their deficiencies and on their thyroid. But this is an excellent program to try first, because if 90-95% can get better, then why not do it?
Thyroid, ma'am. Can I cure thyroid? Priyanka has been taking thyroid.
Yes. So Priyanka, yes, this program can help you big time. Why? I'll tell you, this is very interesting. Gluten and thyroid structure is almost similar. And leaving gluten in cases who have thyroid problems gives magical results. So you must do this program and figure out for yourself whether you can stop your thyroid medicines completely or not.
Ms. Manisha has followed Luke Coutinho's program earlier. Is it different?
Sorry, what is she said?
Mr. Luke Coutinho's program.
Oh yes, this is different. If you still have, you want to add more life to your life, then you must do this program. I'm not even talking about symptoms.
Piles with protruding hemorrhoids, slip disc, gas, constipation, bloating, etc.
It will definitely help. Definitely help.
Mr. Nisar, protein-based food gives him bloating and gases and mucus in stool. So why so is the
So you must join this program and find out. Yes. So why so is the question. One very important reason could be you could be allergic or sensitive to some food. Because when you are allergic or sensitive to some food, the acid secretion on your gut decreases. And when your acid secretion decreases, you are not able to digest protein. Right?
Many of you have still not responded to the polls. Please make sure that you respond to the polls. And those of you whose questions are unanswered yet, or whatever it is, or interest in the program, please share your phone numbers with us. Just 1 or 2 more things, ma'am. Psoriasis, ulcerative colitis.
You must do it. मेरी बात मान के ये प्रोग्राम करो अगर आपको कोई भी autoimmune condition है. Why? Because autoimmune conditions में setting this diet for you is very, very important अगर आप if you want to reverse your autoimmune condition.
There is one important.
So this diet actually was initially made for autoimmune. Yes.
Ma'am, one important question in interest of your time. So there are people who are trying to gain weight or people who are not overweight. They want to ensure that the program would not make them lose weight.
So, as I told you, this program does not make you lose weight. No. Why we talk about losing weight is because in 70% of the cases, क्या होता है? There is a lot of inflammation in the body, and because of inflammation, you've gained weight. This program helps you balance your immune system actually. So once you balance your immune system, what happens? If you are overweight, your weight will reduce. If you are underweight, you will gain weight. So this program is not a weight loss program if you do not have inflammation in your body.
So stopping milk and soy, will they get calcium deficiency?
Not at all, not at all. Our vegetables give us a lot of calcium, right? And now the new concept is not only about calcium but about magnesium and other minerals also, which are important for bone health. We get enough calcium from the grains we use and the vegetables we eat.
Vivek is hyperacidic and chest pain, and sometimes blood comes during coughing.
Right. So Vivek, this program can be really helpful for you.
And there is another person. Happily, we have answered that. Yeah, recording would be made available. Don't worry about that. So mainly we have answered most of the questions. Just one last question. Anybody, if somebody is there? The program continues. I'll be there to respond to your questions, ma'am.
I need to ask a question here.
Yes, Praveen.
Can I just do this program even if it's Ramzan fasting time?
Yes, you can do it.
पूछना क्वेश्चन जा रहा है लास्ट क्वेश्चन तेरा कफ का नहीं मेरा कुछ कफ का पेट से रिलेटेड अरे
you can do it even if it's Ramzan period, Praveen.
Okay, because I have severe constipation problem, so I just wanted to start this program because I'm really interested in it.
Yes, you must do it, and it will be easier for you to do it during Ramzan actually.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you in the program. There's this last question which I will answer, Ayush, and then I'll leave. This is Bhanu wants to know my 18-year-old son facing cough issue. I strongly recommend this program because if cough is not getting treated by anything, food allergies must be ruled out first. If there is no food allergy, then we will know what more to do. But food allergies you must rule out, and this program is the best way to do it.
Ma'am, we have consulted so many doctors, and I think milk allergy milk allergy.
No, but you do this program, your child. No, do this program completely. You will see how his gut heals and his cough decreases. Right?
We are completely cured because we have consulted so many doctors and consumed so many medicines. Still no result.
No, you will get results. Let's start first with this program and then we will see what more can be done.
Hello, ma'am. One question.
Yes, and this is the last question we'll take. Yes, please.
10-year-old and has thyroid.
Sorry, your voice was breaking.
Ma'am, my daughter is 15 years old. Thyroid. Fluctuates.
Okay.
Celiac also.
She will definitely benefit from this program. You must make sure that she does this program once.
Okay. She is 15 years old, which will be helpful.
It will definitely be helpful at her age, though it is must that she knows what she should be eating and what she should not be eating.
So, day by day. Now she is 15-year-old and weight is 70.
I know. She should do this program. She will benefit in all respects. Okay. Perfect. So thank you, Ayush.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, and thank you everybody. Have an amazing day. Happy Navratras, happy Ramzan to all of you. And I look forward to seeing most of you in this program because this is the right time to do it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
So
Can I
thank you,
ask one
ma'am.
question, please?
So I'll still be here, and I'm there to answer any of the questions which are pending and whatnot. So you can go ahead and ask me the questions about the program and several other things which the program can benefit in. So please go ahead. You can unmute yourself and ask your question. So Ms. Shilpi Bora and Mr. Anil Doshi, you have your hands raised. If you want to ask a question, please go ahead, ma'am. And sir. And others, anybody and everybody. By the way, many of you who are present here, you have still not responded to the polls. So make sure, irrespective of whether you want to join the program or not, make sure that you respond to the polls. Just request you to be polite, that's all. Yeah, Veenam, we have received your payment, yes. You can, Rachana, you can use this number 9717-333-655, which is there in the group chat for any kind of UPI transfers, Paytm, GPay, PhonePe, whatnot. And this is the same number I hold myself as well. So if you have any kind of a question, you can reach out to me directly on this number as well. All right. So others, I'm here. I'm talking about poll. So poll is there on, ma'am. So you would have a polling option. So you can share your phone numbers. Yeah, for psoriasis, definitely for all autoimmune conditions, whether it is psoriasis or whether it is rheumatoid arthritis and so on. So we have spoken about leaky gut syndrome. 95% of different kind of autoimmune conditions, there are 80 plus of them. So all of those conditions in 90 or 95% of the cases, they arise due to leaky gut syndrome. So leaky gut syndrome is one specific thing we are trying to address and heal within this program, because of which, whatever, whether it is psoriasis or whatnot, you would see a lot of benefits during the program. Your symptoms would reduce a lot. B, we will be able to identify what is causing that minimization in your symptoms. Thereby, we will be able to advise you what you need to do for the subsequent days and weeks and months to completely come out of your psoriasis condition. तो ये सारा कुछ इस एक महीने में आप अचीव कर पाओगे. You will not be able to come out of psoriasis completely with 100% guarantee and whatnot. That does not, if any program is telling you that, they are just plain and simple lying. But this program, the way it is designed, we will be able to identify the root causes. We'll be able to help you minimize your condition to a considerable degree. And we'll be able to also help you with a guided plan. So as to how you can, hopefully come out of your conditions permanently as well. Yeah, Pooja will call you. You can ask your questions here if there is no privacy concern, if you're happy to discuss your situation. Otherwise, any which way we'll call you. Share your phone numbers. If you have not shared your phone numbers, make sure that you, jot down your number here in the group chat. I'm trying to pick up a few more questions from the chat if I missed any. Okay, by the way, you can unmute yourself. I mean, I'm trying to be friends here.
Okay, I have a question.
Go ahead, Namita.
Can you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So typically, I mean, I just want to know how. Of course, you've kind of given us kind of outline, but what I want to also know is how much do we get to engage with doctor, and if there are.
So the doctor, yeah, I got it. I'm trying to show you something so that revise the kind of things that we went through. So Dr. Preeti would be part of the WhatsApp group in which the group is continuously active for 30 days, basically 4 weeks, 28 days. So she is interacting with you on a daily and continual basis. So you have access to her on a continuous basis. You ask questions and she may not be able to respond you like in 5 minutes or an hour every single time, but you get your responses within the day. And quite often you get it immediately as well. So Dr. Preeti is there answering each and every single question within the day or within a matter of a couple of hours, if not minutes. she does have a session every week before the week begins, so that she can explain you about the week and what you need to do during that week. And she's there to guide you and answer each and every single of your query during the week as well, through WhatsApp and every other possible methodology. Towards the end of these 4 weeks, we have a consultative session with Dr. Preeti as well, wherein once she has studied you and your symptoms and their variances for about 4 weeks, she is in a very good position to advise you what you need to do to hopefully come out of whatever conditions or whatever health goals that you have permanently.
Okay, I have a question. Okay, so going. Okay, yeah, okay, but if there are questions beyond what we do not find as a resolution on WhatsApp, then how do we connect? That is one. And the second thing was, so in the first week, is it going to typically be a common kind of a elimination
Day one.
process for everybody?
So I'll answer the second question. Hey, do you have any follow-up questions other than these two?
Not sure. Thinking.
Okay. So answering the second question first. So we, on day one, we start onto something which is for the entire group exactly the same thing. So we start on a standard elimination diet on day one and day one alone. Day 2, 3, and 4, you start reporting about your symptoms, and we start taking in your health history also, which we have collected before the program begins, basically. And basis that and how you're responding to different kinds of constricted environment anomalies. So uski basis pe we keep advising on changes on your personalized diet, start making your elimination diet personalized. So by the end of the week, every single individual is onto their own specialized diet. So we start with something standard, but we keep making it customized.
Now, when you say we, that means there is a team of you.
When I say we, I mean, Dr. Preeti, her support team, and us guys as a collective unit. But primarily, it would be Dr. Preeti. I mean, it is 99% Dr. Preeti and 1% if she is not there, us. That's how it is.
Which means she's the one who actually.
She is the admin of the group. Yes. Does it answer your question, Namita? You are frozen. So she remains the admin of the group, and she is there to respond directly to all the queries. There is nobody else who is responding on her behalf.
So you froze actually. I didn't get that.
So nobody else responds on her behalf. She responds to any and every query.
Okay, but like you said, like the recommendations are changed, like from the second, third, fourth day. All those details are actually passed on to her, right? And then she is the one. So you say then she makes all the changes, right, for us.
Absolutely.
And the recommendations.
So, whatever information or customization would happen only by Dr. Preeti, not by an intermediary or somebody working for her, basically. So she would directly make those changes and so on. And she would be reading all the comments, whatever you report or whatever you, or even your health history or whatever it is. So she's the one sort of guiding each individual on their personalized paths.
All right, great. Thank you. And one more question. So essentially, is there any kind of specific number of people that she need, that she can, in a week, like she can take, or just an unlimited?
Don't worry, she's a workhorse. She's a workhorse. No number is too big for us. Let me assure you that.
I'm just wondering, I'm sure it's not like my problem is huge, but then, whatever it is, I mean, I don't want to feel neglected.
There are mechanisms in which we sort of create a sort of hierarchy within the group itself. So there would be a buddy system in engagement. So you would have a buddy. So your questions would be answered by a buddy who is also a co-participant, just as yourself. So you solve each other's queries to a large extent. And Dr. Preeti is there to advise and guide and that to you. And in case, let's say, when I talked about 1% of support and so on. So if you're standing in a supermarket, for example, and you want to buy something, either this or that or that. So that kind of a thing also you can call us and we will be able to guide you. For that, obviously, Dr. Preeti is not there. Of course.
Correct. Got it. I got it. Yes. So if I have to buy something specific and
Yeah.
I can call you up, that's fine as well.
Yeah.
Now, see, everybody has a more or less from what I have been listening here in this group. Everybody has some really major. I mean, most of us have some major issues here. But what we are tackling, I believe, in this first 1 month, or in the first month, is that, like she says, catch the dead rat, mara hua chuha, whatever the Hindi phrase was. Like, she wants us to identify what exactly. That I didn't get actually when she says
What this
identify
means
the
is,
dead rat.
if you are having any kind of a chronic condition, for example, or if you are having any kind of a irritability due to, let's say, something is of a discomfort, or you are generally having emotional imbalances or pains anywhere in the body, or clearly identified chronic conditions, such as different kinds of allergies or autoimmune conditions or diabetes, or things like that. So basically, I'll just revise the webinar very quickly for you. So the way it goes is very simple, right? So if somebody is having any kind of, it starts for most of us, in today's day and age, it starts with something called dysbiosis, which is imbalances within the gut microbiota. So good and bad bacteria and all of that. Now, bad bacteria, it's a very dynamic process. So bad bacteria keeps this interstitial layer or lining which separates our gut to the rest of the body. It's unicellular in many places. So it keeps getting ruptured and repaired and ruptured and repaired. That's the job of good and bad bacteria, basically. Bad bacteria consume it, good bacteria repair it, and so on. Now, because of this imbalances, that in itself will cause several kinds of digestive conditions, such as acidity, bloating, burping, and constipation and whatnot. All of those kind of things. Now, if this increases for a prolonged period, you would have something called leaky gut syndrome. Now, if leaky gut syndrome is there, then you have gut permeability. So what should not be out in the bloodstream is now out in the bloodstream. And the body obviously does not recognize it. So digestive health, it starts with all of these kind of things. And once it is out there in your bloodstream, you start developing antibodies against it. And for all of these conditions, that is the situation which is responsible, basically. This is stage 2 of leaky gut. Now, if you progress further, then you would start, because body has to come into some kind of a balance, right? A new equilibrium. So body is inflamed regularly and it has to establish a new equilibrium. So you start getting into hormonal imbalances, and thereby you develop PCOD or PCOS or PMS symptoms of pains and this and that and several other things. For men it is different, for women it is different. Now, if you further, if these unwanted particles, they start getting lodged into different parts of the body or organs or glands or whatnot, the body start attacking those glands and different organs and parts, and which is what is called autoimmune condition. Your body's immune system is attacking yourself. And that is when you start having all of these conditions, from celiac disease to Crohn's to whatnot. Now, all of these conditions may even lead to cancer, which is one of the big reasons different kinds of cancers are increasing. Now, that is what she means by dead rat. Now, the dysbiosis itself is starting because of some kind of an imbalance or some kind of all of this, because my body and your body is exactly the same. The only difference is, obviously, I am a man, you're a woman. That aside, our organs are mechanical in nature. The thing which is how my body would process it differently is because of what my digestive system is and what yours is. And if there is something which is irritating us, which is leading to, whether it is stage 1 or stage 5, it doesn't really matter. So we have to identify what is the anomaly which is irritating or inflaming our internal systems. So that is what identifying the dead rat is. That was the long answer to your short question.
Really?
All right. Any other questions? So that's what we are trying to achieve, basically. Rachna, I suppose you have paid. So there are some 7-8 people who have paid already. I may not be able to immediately confirm everyone. But yes, I mean, I'll believe you. I think you would have paid. We'll WhatsApp you very soon, and please send the snapshot as written in the message so that we can confirm you immediately. Yeah, we'll confirm you as Nidhi mentioned, basically on our behalf. So we'll confirm you on your WhatsApp. Just allow us a few minutes. All right. Shilpa and Anil Doshi, your hands are still raised. It is starting on 15th of, again, let me throw that. Yeah, 15th of April. So Thursdays, all sessions would be on Thursdays. All right. Miss Shilpi, Mr. Anil, do you have any questions? It's already what, almost 9, right? There are a few people in the office still. Sorry for this. All right.
Just one.
या आप लोगों में से काफी लोगों ने अभी भी रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया है, काफी लोगों के मेरे ख्याल से क्वेश्चंस अभी भी अनआंसर्ड हैं. तो शिल्पी जी, अनिल जी, आप लोग अगर हो तो आप अपने सवाल पूछ लो क्योंकि आपके हैंड्स रेज्ड हैं, आप अभी भी हो सेशन में.
Hello, can I ask you one? Can I ask one question?
Please, ma'am. That's why I'm boring the rest of us.
Rather than talking, can we call you and just whatever the personal question?
Of course. I mean, yes, ma'am. I'm sharing in the group chat as well. So
yeah, you just because it is a dinner time now.
Yeah, of course, ma'am. So my number is 9717 333 655. My name is Ayush.
Can you just repeat the number, please?
9717
yeah
333 655.
655. I'll just repeat 9717 333 655.
That is correct, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then we can talk to you, right? If we want any other information.
Of course, ma'am. And please do share your phone number so that, you know, in case whatever, we know that we need to call you at some point.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Okay. So with this, I think we can close the session. And in case you want to reach out to us, you share your queries in the WhatsApp group or reach out to us. My number has been shared. And goodbye and good night to all of you and good luck, whether you join or not. But this is a wonderful opportunity because whether it is Ramzan or this is the time when our culture wants us to do this program. So please take benefit of it and let's be a part of our healthier ourselves. All right. Good luck to you. Goodbye. Good night.
Good night. Thank you.